Hi guys! Kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa akin channel. At yung bago pa lang kayo sa akin channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at sipahin na rin tayo bell button dun sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa akin channel. You know? At para sa video nito, another video reaction naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito kay Brandon Espiritu, ang pabato natin sa Mr. Supranational 2024. And i-play na natin tong video na to guys. Sobrang excited na ako na mapanood siya. Kaya mag-umpisa na tayo. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara! So ito na. Okay, bilang tayo guys. And 3, 2, 1, go. So here we go.
And now please show your appreciation to Mr. Supranational Philippines.
Wow! Wait lang. Padaanin muna natin yung tricycle na dumaan. Okay, ulitin natin.
And now please show your appreciation to Mr. Supranational Philippines.
Philippines. Go Brandon.
Alright, before I intro myself, can we give a big round of applause to yourselves,
Whoa.
my amazing super brothers, the Supranational Organization,
Ganda ng voice
and my
niya, no?
mom and dad, because
Sarap
I know you're watching
pakinggan.
right now. Love you guys.
Very handsome.
Some more. All right.
Well,
Okay, my name is Brandon Espiritu, your Mr. Supranational
Okay.
2024, representing the beautiful, fun, and resilient
ang ganda ng
country
voice quality ni
of
Brandon.
the Philippines.
Sarap pakinggan.
Now, fun fact is I am from Guam. I was born and raised there for 18
Oh.
years. Not so fun fact, back in 2018 was one of my lowest points. I went through being homeless,
Oh.
living out of my friends' couches. Thank God I have good friends. But in that
Wow.
point in time, I was serving tables, I was hopping couches, and I was selling shoes out of my trunk to make a way.
Wow.
Happier fact is that same person today is proud to be an owner of a restaurant,
Oh my
bar,
God.
and cafe. And
Congrats.
thank
Oh my
you.
God.
And one of the
This is so inspirational story by Brandon. Grabe ka Brandon, ang galing mo magsalita.
most progressive growing cities in the world, Manila. So, I am not here to be a pageant king. I am here to
Wow.
be an ambassador and to elevate the Supranational
Very
brand.
humble.
And all while doing so, being a beacon of hope and showing people that your dreams can be a reality. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming
Thank you.
salamat po. Oh my God guys, ang galing niya magsalita, no? Wait lang, ang ingay. Ang ingay ng dumaan na tricycle, pasensya na guys ha. To be honest, si Brandon, sobrang galing niya magsalita, no? Yung looks nandun na talagang sobrang handsome niya. Yung charisma is overflowing yung charisma niya. Very manly and yeah, ang telegenic lang niya sa screen, no? Sobrang talagang pag nakita mo siya magsalita, mapapawaw ka na lang talaga. Wow! Di ba? Jaw dropping, no? And yung face card, grabe. Di ba ang lakas ng laban natin ngayon sa Supranational for Mr. Di ba? Mr. Supranational. And sana makuha na natin ang first ever crown ng title ng Mr. Supranational. Di ba? Grabe, na kay Brandon na yung hinahanap nila. Alright, good luck Brandon, support natin si Brandon. And yan, napakahusay, napakagaling. Di ba nag-1 din siya guys, top 1 din siya sa, ang tawag din, super chat ba yun? Tama ba? Comment down below. Basta magaling siya din sobrang galing niya magsalita talaga. Yung mga question na sasagot niya talaga, no? Talagang mic drop. Galing, napakahusay, kinakain niya yung mic. Sobrang galing niya. And yeah, kung nagustuhan niyo ito guys, bigyan niyo ito malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kayong mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. You know, bye!